Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna unbox and review these 30 watt UV and RGB floodlights. So it's actually both built in. And looking at the specs real quick, 120 volts, 30 watts, LED, has UV and RGB, and it is dimmable. And it's IP66 waterproof. If you guys want to put it outside, that will also work just fine. So it is made out of, this is metal, and it looks like there is some holes right here, so I could mount it to the wall if I want to, and just a regular power plug with the ground, and we have a light switch here. So, and you have the little heatsink in the back, and again, both LED and the UV is built straight into this thing. And so you get a 2-pack, and then you get some instructions which tells you all about the remote. You get some mounting stuff if you want to mount it. Yeah, so you get 2 remotes. And this is what the remote looks like. So yeah, you have your on and off buttons, the dimmer, brighter, dimmer, your different colors, you get the different modes and stuff. So with this, you can actually connect the lights to each other. You take these 2 out, put this in, then you can put this back on, and the other one on the other side. And so this is kind of the way the light would look, and it would just be more powerful. So that's another option. Alright, so one remote does control both and gives off plenty of light, and you could change the different colors. Alright, so I have the lights set up, 2 of them on the ground pointing out to behind my TV. Kind of gives it a cool look at night. So essentially you could pick different colors. You can have it stay a certain color, or you can have them transition between colors through different effects. So you can have them jump through colors, which is kind of an abrupt change, or you can have them fade between the colors. Now, with any of the effects, you can increase or decrease the rate of the transition. So if you want them to transition faster or slower between the colors, essentially cycle through faster or slower, you can customize that. And let's just say, again, if I have a certain background, and by the way, this is the Apple TV screensaver, if you guys are wondering. So let's just say I have waves and I want a blue color, I could just leave it on this blue color, and it just makes it look a lot nicer. And aside from that, pretty cool stuff. You can do a UV as well. You can have the strobe effect, which kind of gives it a lightning effect look and stuff, but very customizable. You can even set up your own. If you read the manual, you could set up your own, and you could say like, oh, I want it to transition through these certain colors and stuff. With that, let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below, and as always, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.